Mandu are one of Korea's beloved traditional dishes, showing exchanges of cultures and flavors throughout its history and transformation. This simple yet tasty dish is made by wrapping meat, vegetables, and sometimes seafood in a thin dough that can be steamed, fried, or boiled. The diversity of Korean mandu comes from the combination of filling ingredients. From traditional kimchi and meat mandu to modern cheese and vegetable mandu, each mandu boasts its own taste and aroma. The freshness of the ingredients in the mandu and the softness of the dough are harmonized, and each mandu offers a feast of unique flavors. Mandu are also used in various ways as a snack and staple food. Mandu soup makes mandu in broth and serves as a warm comfort any winter day. Fried mandu, on the other hand, provides strong flavors with a crispy texture, making them a popular snack that can be enjoyed anytime, anywhere. Galbatang is one of Korea's traditional soup dishes, and it is a combination of beef ribs and rich soups. This deep and rich soup dish is a classic comfort food loved by Koreans, and it melts the body and mind with a warm bowl on a cold winter day. Galbatang begins with a rich broth made by boiling beef ribs for a long time. It adds a variety of ingredients such as savory radishes, green onions, and garlic to create a savory, deep taste. The combination of beef ribs and the soup enriches Korea's winter tables. A bowl of galbatang contains Korean devotion and tradition. The dish is used to share love and affection on special days, at family gatherings, or with friends. Galbatang goes beyond just filling up your stomach, but it also plays an important role in keeping each other's hearts warm. Naengmyeon is a traditional Korean summer dish, and its cool and refreshing taste provides the perfect solution for a hot summer day. The dish consists of sliced buckwheat noodles with broth, ice, and various toppings, and is one of the indispensable elements of the Korean table. Originally, naengmyeon is known to have originated in North Korea and spread throughout the country. In particular, Pyongyang and Hamgyong naengmyeon are known for their unique taste and style, while Pyongyang naengmyeon is served with a deep, thick broth. Hamgyong naengmyeon is characterized by its flavor with a spicy chili paste-based seasoning. The core of the cold noodles is in its broth. Traditionally, it uses deep-flavored broth made by soaking beef bones, pork bones, and chicken meat for a long time. To this, fruits such as vinegar, mustard, apples, or pears are added to give it a more refreshing and rich taste.